Hi everyone, welcome to SRE Chronicles. In today's video, we will learn how to use history command. If you are learning Linux DevOps or SRE skills, make sure to subscribe, like this video and share it to support the channel. Let's get started. The Linux history command helps users to view, search and reuse previously executed commands. Mastering it improves efficiency, simplifies automation and speeds up troubleshooting by eliminating the need to retype long commands. The history command records all commands executed in a terminal session and lets you reuse or rerun them without typing them again. First of all, the history command isn't actually a command. You can see this for yourself by looking for the command in your system, which your computer can't find the history command because it's a built-in keyword on your shell, because it's written into shell. To see the history feature in action, open terminal and run history. The history command displays all commands entered during the current session. To display only limited number of past commands, use history, for example, 7. This shows the last 7 commands from your command history. Its real power is that you can easily rerun any of those commands without typing them again. For example, exclamation mark, and let's execute this command 259. And we see pvd command executed. You can also rerun a command by typing part of it. Let's clear the screen. For example, who am I? pvd hostname. Okay, now let's execute our command exclamation mark and for example who am and execute it who am I command or exclamation mark pv executed pvd command. You can rerun last command using 2 exclamation marks. Last command, for example, ls, 2 exclamation mark, ls. Combined with tools like grep or tail, history also lets you search matching command or view the most recent ones you run. Let's clear the screen. For example, history, grep, ls. And you can filter all ls command which is executed on our terminal session, or history tail -n 3. So you see last 3 command which is executed on our terminal session. Okay, let's execute history. You can remove command from your history when needed. Use the history -d and line number option, number of command option from here to delete a specific entry, or you can delete the clear entire history executing history -c command. Let's delete, for example, this one, history -d 279 history, and we see that 279 is other command, not ls. For bash users, the history command is stored in this file, cat ls-la dot bash. So yes, this file, this one. So this history is stored in the bash history file, which is hidden file, which you can also edit manually. So you can do sudo nano. So let's copy this one, copy and paste. You can edit it manually. Let's exit from bash history command. You can clear the entire command history using history -c. Let's see history, and we notice that we cleaned our history. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit notification bell. Thank you.